guys. So, we've been on this journey called Framing Your Thoughts, and we've really made it pretty far. And right now, it's making me think of math because we're going to talk about the sentence formula. So, check it out. So far, we have learned that we have our sentence frame. A sentence starts with an uppercase and ends with a stop sign. And we have learned that the subject plus the predicate equals a complete thought. And remember, when we started this journey, we said your thoughts are so precious that we want to frame them in and we want to frame in the complete thought so that we can really understand you when you're speaking and when you're writing. So let's also remember that the predicate is the action of the subject. Okay, so let me give you an example of a sentence down here. These are bare bone sentences. So they are just the two essential parts that they have to have, the subject and the predicate. And they're called bare bone because it's like there's nothing on the bones. It's just like a regular dog bone with no meat on it. There's nothing to describe the subject. There's nothing to expand on the predicate and the action. There's no details. It's just super basic. It's exactly what a sentence needs to have to be a complete thought. So look at this sentence. If we have dogs bark, this is a bare bone sentence. It starts with an uppercase. It ends with a stop sign. It has a subject. Who are we talking about? Dogs. So it's just a common subject. And it has a predicate. And it shows us the action that the dogs are doing. What are the dogs doing? They bark. Dogs bark. Here's what I want you to do. I want you to get your skywriting finger out and say the formula with me. You might have your sheet in front of you. If you do, you could trace it. If not, you could draw it in the sky. Okay. A subject plus a predicate equals a complete thought. Now, I want to look at some sentences with you and decide, are they complete sentences? Are they complete thoughts or not? And how we could do that is by marking them up. So here's that one that we just did. So if we were to mark this, we would put the subject symbol under the subject word, and then we would put the predicate under, well, we'd put the little predicate symbol under the predicate. So dogs bark, even though it's a simple sentence, it's a complete sentence and a complete thought. I'm going to hold these other words up here for you, and I want you with your class to practice how you would mark them up. Some have series subjects and series predicates, so you might have more than one of the symbols. So it's up to you now if you write them on a whiteboard or if you come on up to the screen and just mark them up. Okay, good luck with your bare bone sentence marking.